Well, hello folks, it's Mike here. I just want to welcome you back to Mr. Cast Iron, where everything is better in cast iron. And today I got my little 10-inch cast iron skillet, and we're going to make sauerkraut and hot dogs. All right, our cast of characters here. We've got a little bit of butter here, about 2 tablespoons of butter we're going to put in the cast iron skillet. I've got a white onion here I'm going to chop up so we can have some good old sauteed onions, and of course naturally I got some good old ballpark franks, and here we got some good old sauerkraut, and we're going to top that off in a bun with some mustard. So let me go ahead and get this onion chopped up, get this cast iron skillet heated up, and get this butter in here and start sauteing these onions down, and then we'll come back here and show you what this looks like. Okay, well, we've got our butter in here, and we chopped up a half of a white onion, and we're going to just kind of let this sweat down a little bit. And the next thing I'm going to do is put my sauerkraut in, juice and all. I'm not going to drain this at all. Matter of fact, I'm going to use this whole jar here, and we're just going to let this cook down real good. Let these onions sweat real good. In the meantime, while they're doing that, I'm just going to lay some of these hot dogs in here and let them boil and sweat right here on top of this kraut while it cooks, and we cook some of this moisture down. So we'll let this cook down here a little bit, and we'll be back here in a minute and show you what this looks like. Well, all right, this is coming along nicely here. This is all about evaporated out. I've turned these hot dogs over 2 or 3 times here to let them steam and kind of boil up. And so we're going to get us a couple hot dog buns, and I'm just going to lay them right here on top of these hot dogs here and let that kind of steam these buns and get them warm. And we'll let this go up for a little bit, and then we'll get it out and we'll plate it up and show you what these look like here. Okay, these buns seems like they're steamed up pretty good, so I'm going to go ahead and get ready and plate this up. Open these dudes up here a little bit. Gonna put a little mustard in here. And we'll get us one of these dogs here. Lay that dude in there. Get some of this sauerkraut and onion. Make sure I get a little bit of onion on there. Like that white onion, any kind of onion. Love hot dogs and sauerkraut. I just got to thinking about this the other day. I was talking to somebody the other day about sauerkraut and hot dogs, and it got me to thinking. I thought, you know, I haven't had that in a good while. I sure would like to have some. And so I decided to make a video about it today and show you what this looks like here. Of course, there you go. There's sauerkraut and hot dogs. We're going to give this a taste. Looks hot, but that's all right. Wow. That is awesome, man. Get that mustard off of me. Got it all in my beard, didn't I? That's all right. This is the kind of food you can get messy with, man. You just got to get down and dirty with it. So there you have it, folks. It's that easy. Make you a sauerkraut dog. All you got to do is just take you a little bit of butter, put you some onion in there, get your skillet hot, melt that butter down, start letting those onions sweat down, put your sauerkraut in there, cook most of the moisture out of it. I lay my hot dogs in there, let them steam with the sauerkraut as it's cooking. And then once they get almost completely done, I just lay a couple hot dog buns on there and let them steam and warm up. When it looks like it's ready to me, pull it out and put it all on the bun, a little bit of hot dog or a little bit of mustard, and you got you a sauerkraut dog. And man, you just can't beat that. Hey, we appreciate you guys taking the time to watch this. We're going to leave some videos going to be popping up around my head here or there. If you hadn't subscribed to our channel, we'd ask that you do so, and we'll be coming back to you again soon. You guys have a great day. It's Mike over here at Mr. Cast Iron.